Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the LED lights I recently installed in my GTR. I will put a link in the description down below to the bulbs that I installed. I'm going to try and keep this video fairly short, so let's start. So I did the door lights, which is really nice to actually have them be that bright because it lights up the ground by the car, which is kind of cool. I also did the map lights, as you can see up there. Nice bright white. I did the vanity mirror lights. Those ones were kind of a pain to do. I honestly wouldn't recommend it. So that one is a little bit tricky. Looks good though. Now if we open up the trunk. I did the trunk light as well, as you can see here. Nice bright white. Just looks so much better than the yellowish look, you know, just the regular bulbs. Gives it a lot cleaner look. And last but not least, we'll do the license plate lights. Let me just open this up. So, might not be able to get the best view because of the garage door, but here's the white LED license plate lights. Look really nice. I'll try and get closer here. Just makes it so much better. Looks so much cleaner at night. Very nice, clean look. Yeah, I definitely think this is one of the first things you should do to your car. Any car really doesn't necessarily just have to be the GTR. Just look how nice that looks in there. Then looking at it from the front, let me just unlock it again. Actually have to open the door up. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the front. Just a really nice look to it. Makes it look more modern and just kind of gives it a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, just gives it a cooler effect, I guess. Makes it seem more luxurious, and I've done this on all my vehicles. It's one of the first things I always do. So I just thought I'd show you guys what that looks like on the GTR, and again, you can do this on any car. It really improves the look and it's fairly cheap. But again, I will leave a link in the description down below to all of the bulbs that I installed. They were all the same size except for the vanity mirror lights. Excuse that loud truck in the background if you could hear it. But yeah, I will leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.